with this. It's morning, alright? Let's get the keys. We gotta cold start the Civic.
Calls link.
Where's my phone? Oh, it was in here. Right. And where's my keys?
Hello.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Yo, Lou.
What's up?
Yo, it's blizzarding outside.
Yeah, I know. I see it, man. What are you up to today?
I'm actually gonna need you to I'm gonna have to drop the Civic off at Dom's. I know it's a long drive.
Yeah.
But,
That's.
yeah, I'm gonna.
All right. Well, if we're going the highway, I might take my Suburban out. I'll be at your place in a minute if you want.
Yeah.
find my keys.
Yeah, I just be there on take your time because I need to do something real quick.
All right. Oh, see you soon. Hangs up.
Alright, see ya.
Alright, we gotta go start up the Civic. Hopefully it starts. It probably will. Key fob works. Not dead. Alright, it's probably the last startup until I get exhaust chopped off. Alright, go start! Oh. Well, there we go. A little bit worried right there. Alright, let's back this thing in. Hurry up, get this done. Alright, shut it off. Alright, where's that one tool? Alright, picks up. Yeah, let's get this thing ready for DOMs. Get off the exhaust real quick. Let's hurry up, get under there.
Yeah, alright. We got this backed up.
Knocks on garage door. Hey, you in there, man?
Oh. Oh. Let me just put my my saw thing down.
Looks through windows.
I get out under for this thing. The regrets of having it being lowered. Ugh.
What are you doing, man?
Let's put the button over you. I'm cutting off the exhaust of this thing.
So what are you actually taking this thing to DOMS for?
New exhaust, new alternator, intake, because those parts are far away, and you can get those performance parts in town. So.
How come you're doing this?
I hate to break it to you, but like a couple weeks ago, I may or may have not gotten gapped by a 6.0.
Oh my! A 6.0 gapped this thing?
Too.
Excursion?
Oh!
Did your car just roll off for jacks? I heard you. Your car okay?
You know the garage is a little bit icy.
Alright. Well, as you can see, my hat's a little snowy, so.
Oh yeah, a lot of snow in there.
I was walking out. Yeah. Nah, I think I'll just keep it on here. You know. Well, I think I should probably get headed because it might get.
Can you hand me the saw?
Hand saw.
I need to cut the exhaust
Hand
off
saw.
here.
It might be a little late by the time we get here if it's already 12.
Yeah.
By the time we're leaving.
That's good enough. Let me just take the exhaust off.
Yeah, alright. Let's hear it start up. No exhaust.
Yeah, no exhaust. Let's hear it.
Whoa, you don't need to rev it. You don't need to rev it since it's cold out.
I'm revving it. I'm not revving it. It's just at high RPMs.
Wow, that's loud. I think I'm gonna go in my nice Suburban here. Not all that noise yet. Alright. So DOMS, is it?
Yeah.
Alright, let me just back this thing out here. And get. Whoa, I'm drifting this thing. Alright.
House should be locked. This thing is so loud I can't hear myself think.
Hang.
I'm like one of those Civic teams.
Oh, it's no stop.
Oh yeah, I'm probably also gonna get my my alignment too, because
Well, at DOMS, I might get him to chuck some snow tires in this thing, because it's struggling.
Yeah, this thing's struggling.
Oh, it's yellow. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up! Oh, I got flashed going 70 miles per hour.
You got flashed?
Yeah, I got a speeding ticket, I think, because it was going 70 miles per hour.
Sounds kind of empty tonight.
Yeah, tonight. Wow, looks pretty night to me. I hope Dom's is
Anyways,
still
and-
open by the time we get there.
Hopefully they. No, I'm sure that he will. Besides, he works a lot of overtime.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy some snow tires while I'm there. We'll get him to install some.
Hopefully they aren't ugly ones.
You alive back there?
Yeah. I just can't really hear you because it's awesome.
Oh, you're flying! Slow the heck down!
It's not even that fast.
I heard Dom might be a little annoyed if we come in after hours because he is a little. Apparently he's older.
Yeah, those other people really like going to bed early.
Yeah. I mean, he's got to get to work in the morning. Man, I hear that Civic creaking from here, unless it's my Suburban.
You should listen to it whenever it's in front of you. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do a little.
Oh man! Bro, I swear I just had a vision where I just died into the snow.
Oh, like Final Destination.
I think the exit's near. Where are you, man? You just disappear?
Yeah, I'm just in a little pool back here.
Alright. No spin
The
out.
Civic's really.
I mean, if you spun out, you'd probably break the Civic and fall into a ditch. Or drive into one. Oh, I see you.
Yeah, I'm taking it slow.
Oh, it doesn't look like you're going slow.
I'm sliding into the ditch.
Just speed up, man.
Oh, that's a snow pile. That's oncoming.
They really have a lot of snow on the side of the road here. There's so much.
There's a lot of
Jeez.
snow on the road.
Yeah, it's a little bit on the side there, but... Oh, there it is. Dom's service.
I think I'm pulling up real.
Goes into back of excursion, sleep. I mean, not excursion. Goes in the back of suburban, sleeps. So just ring the bell.
This is the place.
Oh, someone in a Civic out there. Oh. Who's in that Civic? I might just wait behind the counter here.
I wonder if that's the guy Dom.
Alright, where? This guy gonna come in? Am I getting customers?
Well, the Civic made it. What?
I'm sitting have a seat. Yeah, I think I might have a customer. That's it.
Oh, hello.
Hey, what's up, man?
What?
Yeah, man, what's up?
I'm gonna need a lot performance mods on modifications on my Civic.
Honda Civic.
I'm gonna need like an entire new exhaust system, new long tube headers.
Don't those youngsters call it easy first? Civic Easy? Or something? I think I know it.
No, it's a 2000.
Civic Honda Easy, Civic Easy.
Oh, yeah, Honda Easy. Yeah, it's a Honda Easy.
Someone told me that back in
It's got one of those
a
VTEC
couple months
engines.
ago. VTEC, what about? Is that a Honda? Yeah, it's a Honda, man. Alright.
Yeah. Yes.
Alright, well, could we're gonna have to have it for a couple of days here.
I'm also gonna need a good performance alternator.
Well, we're gonna have to have it for a couple of days because yeah, we're probably gonna because
Yeah,
we're
that'll
about to close up here. We'll probably have to have it. Yeah, we won't be able to start working on it tonight, but we'll do some of it tomorrow. So you mind handing me the keys?
Yeah.
Hello? Alright.
Yes. I got the keys. I'm also gonna need a new
Yeah.
like entire new air intake. coil
Write
intake.
down.
I'm
Right.
ready to the after.
Alright, I'm writing it down
You
here, man. Alright, well, can I have the keys?
Yes. Here it is.
Alright, takes. Alright, let's see where he parked this thing. They're always parking in different spots. Oh, he parked it.
It's
Oh, who's
right there.
Suburban's that for?
Oh, that's my friend. He's sleeping in there. He didn't get much sleep.
He must be the guy who got snowed. Alright, let's.
It's a little bit loud.
Alright, let's hear this thing start up. Ah! Why is this thing so loud? Oh, man!
Job easier for you.
I can't see. We have a headlight switch. Oh, that's the high beams. Whoops.
Alright, be careful pulling out.
Alright.
on, you're good. You're good. Wait, wait. Careful, careful. Alright,
Oh, make him rolling! Ah!
menu.
That's a menu. Alright,
You're good.
alright.
You're
Alright, I got this thing on here. Alright.
good. Yeah, you made it.
Yep, alright. Well,
Sorry
yeah.
about your ears.
Do you need a rental car or anything, or?
Nah.
Because we don't have any. Meet me.
I'll meet you
Today's
on
Wednesday, so
Sunday.
meet me on Monday.
Alright. See you, Dom.
Alright, see you. So,
Riley, wake up.
oh, alright. So,
Riley, you up?
yeah, I'm here. I'm right here.
Oh. I'll still look through the window. You
Bro.
have a lot of tent, huh?
Yeah. Alright, so where are we headed? Are we gonna go drive all the way back to Greenville, or are we gonna stay the night in here?
Yeah, we're gonna drive back to Greenville.
Up in the back seat. Alright. Gold start.
Oh man, this thing sounds nice. What is that, 4.8?
Is it? Wait, let me check.
I think it is. So you're gonna get new snow tires for this thing?
Well, I already bought them from Dom Bear. I just left the money on the counter. Cause this thing, it was slipping and sliding this morning, so yeah. Oh, Durango there. Lights aren't very bright on this thing.
Yeah, I doubt that. Make sure you're switching for the LED bulb. Actually, please don't, because those actually get really annoying. You know when those like newer cars, you know, or like other lane across you, and they got these
Yeah.
bright aluminum headlights?
Uh-huh.
It's so annoying. You should probably stick to highlight.
I actually don't even know if I own any cars with LEDs.
The only thing LEDs are good for cars is taillights, in my opinion.
Yeah, my square body doesn't have those. That thing doesn't really run. My Cyclone, my GMC Cyclone, that doesn't have LEDs. This thing doesn't. My S10 doesn't. My Duramax doesn't. And my Tacoma doesn't either. Oh, it's Blizzard.
Oh, great.
And
At least it has better traction than my Civic.
yeah,
But that was scary.
I don't
trap.
think my trailer has LEDs. I haven't really checked though. So many blizzards today. It's just on and off.
Yes, dude.
The snow is a bit interesting here.
Winters in Wisconsin are really crazy every year.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Rumbles.
Whoops.
What other GMT 800s do you own?
I don't own any other ones apart from my Cat Eye. I might get another one though. Fans like
I mean, if you ever want to drive your Cat Eye.
I kind of want to drive my Cat Eye, even though I don't want it to get rusty. Yeah, I might drive it this winter. It might be fun to drive.
This Suburban is very mint.
Yeah, it's pretty mint. Bought it a couple of years back. Around the time I bought it at the right time. The suburban market wasn't that expensive at the time.
Oh yeah, nowadays.
This one's the fancy one as well. Like it's got LT. It's got
LT.
yeah. It's got
Oh,
the
yes.
screens in the back and stuff.
Does it? Wait,
I
this
guess
is
not.
leather.
Wait, that's-
Yeah.
Yeah, leather seats. Got the TVs in the back. I mean, they're not best. They're from
This
2001.
is a great family vehicle
yeah.
trip. I see why you brought.
Yeah, I keep this thing undercover. It doesn't go inside my barn. It goes outside of it. Under that little awning. Yeah, I'm gonna wash this thing off tomorrow morning. I can do a clean. What's your daily driver?
My daily driver could be my Cat Eye or my 350 C1500. It'd be probably one of those trucks. I really love driving those. They're really fun.
Yeah, my Cyclone. I don't drive that thing often. Especially not in the winter. That thing will probably not have much traction. It's pretty good though. I'm glad I own one.
Yes.
You see all those people, you know, they have their sports cars like Corvettes and stuff. I like a good old
Yeah, especially
Cyclone.
the old men, the old car enthusiasts. Yes.
Yeah, the older ones.
Probably Dom owns one.
I don't
want
think he
pizza
does. I think he's pretty good at money. He has a couple. I've heard. He has a couple of burns. Maybe I think people say he has a Subaru as his daily. But
Ooh,
yeah,
that's super. That's surprising for him.
yeah, I know.
I'm surprised he doesn't like own like a Focus or something.
Focus, man. And so I feel like he's the type of guy to own like a cool old F truck.
Oh yes.
You
I
know?
need to get like attention for like a
Yeah.
winter beater, you know.
But I mean, yeah, he'll probably own like a real old one, like F100, you know.
Ooh. I don't know. I think Chase would be more interested in that stuff. I don't know if I'm interested in building that old of
I'm talking about
trucks.
Dom, man. Anyways, I'll drop you off at your house here. I don't know if I'm gonna be getting any sleep tonight, but
Yeah, you slept in the car for a bit.
yeah. Alright, well, I guess I'll probably see
You
you
like
tomorrow.
You like the lights? I know
Yeah.
I put them up a little bit early, but it snowed early. Which
It's December 28th. We're meant to take them down by now. Are you out of my car?
yeah, it's just very warm in here. Hey, stop.
As soon as you hop out. Well,
Huh?
see you tomorrow, I think. Maybe.
Yeah. Oh shoot, it's cold.
I'm gonna get
I gotta
this.
get in the house.
I get this thing
Oh,
in the
did I
barn.
even get my car key? I didn't get my cow's keys. Dang it.
Alright.
Digs for keys. I found them. Okay.
Tomorrow I'm gonna install the snow tires and
Okay.
wash this thing off.